Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So this week's word of the week for week number 5 is going to be respect. Now I know a lot of you guys have heard that word before, either by a parent, a sibling, a teacher. The word respect simply means this: the act of giving attention or showing care. So make sure you guys get ready for your Fast 5 workout as well as your activity for the day. So stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today we have our Fast 5 workout, which is going to be 4 exercises, 30 seconds, 1 minute break, and then again repeating the same 4 exercises again for a second round. All right, so today's Fast 5 workout is number 1, it's going to be in and outs, 2, tuck jumps, 3, leg raises, and 4, side plank. Our exercise number 1 is going to be in and out. So you're going to put your feet together and you're going to go in, out. So open and close. Open and close, all right? So those are what I call in and outs. Number 2, tuck jumps. What you're gonna do is put your feet kind of about shoulder width apart, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna jump up and try to get your knees to your chest. Looks like that, okay? So you're bringing your, kind of like a cannonball. 3, we got leg raises. So what you're gonna do is get on your bottoms, on your backs, and what you're gonna do is lift your legs up 6 inches and down, up and down. And exercise number 4 is going to be our side planks. So what you're going to do is get to a plank position and then hold yourself up on one side. See how my feet are together? I'm on my forearm, not my elbow, and I'm just going to hold that. You can do that for 15 seconds on your left, 15 seconds on your right, or what you can do is 30 seconds one for the first round and 30 seconds on the other arm for the second round. So stay tuned and we'll do this workout in just a moment. Ready in 3, 2, 1, go. Let's go in and out. In, out, in, out. 30 seconds. Just do your best. Yeah, 10 more seconds. All right, moving on to tuck jumps. Time. Leg raises on your backs. Let's go. Start in 3, 2, 1, go. Let's go up and down. Hold it for 3 seconds. Down. More seconds. All right, side planks. I'm gonna go and go 15 on each side. Yeah, most important thing is making sure you're not using your elbow, but you're on your forearm. All right, switch sides. Woo! It's a good first round. All right, we got that 1 minute water break. Remember, round 2, we're gonna go through the same 4 exercises. We'll go from the top. 1, in and outs, 2, tuck jumps, 3, leg raises, and 4, we got our side planks. I really hope you guys are enjoying this Fast 5 series. This is now Fast five number 5. If you have not watched 1, 2, 3, or 4, make sure you do that. 10 seconds left. Then we're moving on to round 2. All right, let's go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. In, out. This round, I want you to push yourself a little bit harder. Everything you guys got. Again, the fast 5 only takes 5 minutes, but you will get a great workout. 5 seconds left. All right, let's get to those tuck jumps. Don't hold anything back. Everything you got. Time, leg raises. On your backs. And go. All right, let's go. Side planks, side planks. Again, if you did 30 seconds on one side, first round you do the second opposite side. Again, I did 15 on each. So I'm gonna switch. 15 left for the finisher. And time. Awesome job, you guys did it. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that Fast 5 workout. Again, 4 exercises, 30 seconds, 1 minute water break, and repeat the same 4 exercises again for 30 seconds each, coming out to a total of 5 minutes. If you have not already seen Fast 5 1, 2, 3, or 4, make sure you do that now. I'll go ahead and put that playlist right here in the corner, so make sure you guys check it out. And as always, at the P.E Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So for today we have a fun game and it's called Plank Kingpin. Now the only items you're going to need for it are 2 water bottles and a bottle cap. I use this off a peanut butter cap. Those are the only 2 items you're going to need for this activity. So don't go anywhere. Alright, so now that you have your items ready to go, with a water bottle, make sure it's empty. There's no water in it. And then the peanut butter cap or any type of cap you have, that's going to be placed on the floor. So now what you're going to do is you are going to be in a plank position. So if you don't know a plank position, you're going to have your hands about feet, shoulder width apart. You're going to lift your legs up and then we're going to actually stagger our feet so it's a little bit easier for us to maintain our balance. You're going to put the water bottle in between, and what you're going to do is you're going to slide the peanut butter cap to the other side of your opponent, and you're going to try to knock down their water bottle on their side. Now, if you are able to knock down their water bottle, you get 2 points, and then you guys will just take turns going back and forth. You are allowed to block it, so with one hand planking, you can block it and defend your water bottle, but again, it is difficult because you are in a plank position. So stay tuned and we'll go and demonstrate this activity. All right, so make sure your peanut butter cap is flipped over. You get in a plank position. Now you can't hover over it like this because you don't knock over your own pin. If you knock over your own pin, your opponent gets 1 point. So make sure you don't do that, okay? So, go and stagger your feet. I'm gonna go first. I missed. Jordan knocked it over, so I get 1 point anyways. Now he's gonna toss it. Nope. Other way. So just like ski hockey, throwing out 2 points for that shot. And we're going to continue going back and forth, doing our best. Again, what I recommend is that you plank with one hand, switch, and shoot with the other hand. I would recommend doing both hands, your dominant hand and your non-dominant hand. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Tap again. I recommend you guys switching arms to defend. You knock it down, I get 1 point. Oh, close. Watch your mouth. Oh. Oh, free shot. So we hope you really enjoyed that game of Plank Kingpin, and we hope you guys try it yourself. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, take care.